Be wondering why the MA members from Kedah Perlis are down here in Putrajaya to meet all of you. Well, rest assured, we are not here because we want to run away from the COVID. We are just here to say hello to everybody. This is the first time MA Kedah Perlis has taken this lead to reach out to the market by coming in person to meet and network. These are extraordinary times and we need extraordinary measures. I guess this is also further endorsed with the presence and support from all our VIPs here today. The usual questions we get during roadshows or when we do client visitation would be, ada apa di Kedah tu? Well, my answer to you is, this is where it all began. We have history, greenery, island getaway, and the state where we had twice a king, twice a Menteri Besar, and the land where two prime ministers hails. And to drive a bit more, we have the land of the Harum Manis in Perlis. There is indeed a lot to explore here in these two states. Then usually once this is mentioned, the response we would normally get would be, tu lah, we don't know. The state should promote more. Hotels should have attractive packages, and the list of reactions goes on. So taking all this into account, we are here personally, GM sendiri turun padang. We have 2 stars up to 5-star GMs here spanning from Kulim, Sungai Petani, Alor, Langkawi, and even Perlis. Further to that, we spoke to Lada and said, come, let's get this show on the road and welcome all these agencies and all you beautiful people to Kedah and Perlis. So now I ask you, what is your excuse? You now have the opportunity to speak directly to these key decision makers on your next holiday needs. Jadi tak perlu pergi Agoda, Booking.com dan sebagainya. You just speak directly to these people for the best packages. Kedah and Perlis has always been a jewel waiting to explore. If tourists from abroad can find us, can experience us, why not you? I would like to take this opportunity up here to give you a quick rundown of all the hotels that are here and serious in creating wonderful holiday memories for all of you. After all, the true business of a hotel is not only its service and facilities, but the experience. So from Sungai Petani, we have Park Avenue Hotel, the only hotel next to a Plaza Tour. Where are you? Just carry your hands. Can everybody see her? Okay. And then from Kulim, we have the Fuller Hotel Kulim, the newest hotel in Kulim. Where are you? Carry your hands. From Alor, Star City Hotel, 100 meters away from the biggest shopping mall in Kedah. From Perlis, the Putra Brasmana, located just opposite Jetty Kuala Perlis. Where are you, Putra Brasmana? There, the gentleman at the back. From Langkawi, we have the Adia Hotel Langkawi, which is an Islamic concept hotel and their sister property in Chenang. It's Mr. Razmi, is the big man there. And then we have Resorts World Langkawi, the choice for honeymooners. We also accept second and third honeymoons. Where's the GM from Resort World? Oh, he's there. Okay,
I'm here.
the handsome one. Okay, then we have Greenish Hotel Langkawi, located in Kuala Town. Those of you who want to shop in the Haji Ismail Group for your Pingan Mangkuk, you can stay there. Greenish Hotel, where are you? That's Mr. Lawrence, the GM. Tanjung Ru Resort, the best beach and sunset in Langkawi is there. Mr. Reggie, where are you, sir? That's Tanjung Ru Resort. Nadia's Hotel Langkawi. You step out of the hotel and you're stepping into Pantai Chenang. Asiana Resort Langkawi, the biggest swimming pool in the island. The gentleman is there. So kalau ni nak berenang tak perlu nak pergi laut. Just go to the swimming pool is good enough. The Smith House, it's cozy and located amongst greenery. Where are you, Smith House? Are you here? There you are, at the back. Asma. Dayang Bay Resort, located in town with a view of the sea. Where are you, Dayang Bay? That's Dayang Bay over there. Vivanta by Taj, Rabah Island. One hotel located on one private island. The Taj. There's a gentleman over there. So as you can see, you have a selection of hotels and their specialities. In hotel terms, we have spread a buffet of hotels and their variety for your choosing. Speak to them and they will be happy to tell you more about their hotels and how they can match your taste. Yes, sorry, and I also forgot Ombak Villa Resort. My apologies. There you go. Okay. I would like to take this opportunity to express my appreciation to Mr. Razmi Rahmat, who is my Deputy Chairman Amal Kedah Perlis. He is actually the one spearheading this whole arrangements. Can we give him a big hand, please? My thanks also to the Dorset Putrajaya for this lovely setup and the whispered rates. And last but not least, thank you to all of you for taking your time of your busy schedule to come and meet us. It's just going to be a morning of casual conversation, nothing too deep. So do enjoy yourself, meet up with us and ask all the questions you want to know about hotels and services. You will be amazed. Thank you very much.
Sebab kita Langkawi adalah tanah tertua di Asia Tenggara. Dalam banyak-banyak 11 buah negara di dalam Asia Tenggara ni, Langkawi yang muncul dulu, yang mula-mula muncul daripada lautan. Okey. Sebelum tu LADA adalah agensi di bawah Kementerian Kewangan Malaysia yang kita kita bernama di bawah Kementerian Kewangan. So kita LADA ni regulates tourism activity di Langkawi. Okay. Right, Langkawi adalah terdiri daripada 99 buah pulau semua sekali. Keluasan 920 km persegi. Dia lebih besar sikit daripada Singapore as a whole. Dulu Singapore 500 square kilometer, tapi Singapore keep expanding jadi sampai 500 lebih. Kalau tanah saja kita 478 square kilometer. Tapi yang hebatnya kita punya 60% of Langkawi still remain intact with permanent rainforest. Permanent rainforest ni dia ada bahagi pula kepada primary, secondary. Kita semua situ di Langkawi adalah primary rainforest, never been chopped, never been taken out from the forest. Okay, lepas tu kita ada, apart from that, kita ada 3% adalah mangrove forest. Okay, yang kita been accepted as UNESCO Global Geopark pada tahun 2007. Okay, kita keep track tourist arrival daripada tahun 1987 bila Langkawi diisytihar sebagai pulau bebas cukai, sampailah ke tahun lepas kita dapat 3.9 juta pelancong yang masuk ke Langkawi. Kita cuma ada the only 2 times yang kita punya arrival actually going down masa Asia economic crisis in 1998, and then the other one after tsunami 2004 yang lebih daripada 250,000 orang terkorban. Dan of course this year gonna be lower than 3.9 million. Okay. Some quick fact, out of 3.9 million visitors arrival ni, 1.54 million adalah international tourist, 1.56 adalah domestic, yang selebihnya adalah excursionist. Siapa excursionist ni? These people are day tripper. Mainly they're coming by cruise. Tahun lepas ni kita ada 90 cruise yang masuk Langkawi. Dalam satu cruise ni 2,000 orang akan turun sekali ke Langkawi. Tapi dia orang tak bermalam, dia orang cuma enjoy the activity and shopping. So kita pelancongan contribute 5.25% to state GDP. Kita ada 69,000 workers yang bekerja dalam bidang tourism. Kita ada 5,000 registered business kat Langkawi, micro, small and medium restaurant semua lah. And then 70
Azmil, very lengthy. Tapi yang kat belakang tu saya rasa tak dengar kot. Dia dengar bila yang apa ni Pulau Dayang Bunting je, baru dia terasa. But actually itulah cerita dia punya mitos, mitos. Tapi kalau siapa yang dah biasa pergi dekat Pulau Langkawi, kalau you naik boat, you pergi dekat mana-mana, you akan tengok Pulau Dayang Bunting tu memang macam orang bunting. Tapi tak tahulah lelaki atau perempuan. Pasal tapi perut dia memang bunting. Perut dia memang bunting. Okay, very short one. Kita buat macam ni, nanti orang kata, kerajaan kata, apalah diorang ni bagi kita berdiri dah berapa jam ni. Actually, kita bagi ni very short punya ni, networking. Kita tahu orang-orang kerajaan ni, lepas ni diorang ada meeting, ada mesyuarat, ada this one. So very short. Kita akan janji by 11:30 semua habis. Okay? So that is why you nak makan, you carry on, proceed, you still maintain until 12. But anyway, without further ado, ini orang yang terpenting. orang tourism ni, orang kata orang yang terkenal ni, orang yang nak cerita pasal tourism Kedah Perlis, jangan cerita satu Malaysia Dato', cerita pasal Kedah Perlis ni, promote Kedah Perlis saja. Satu Malaysia jangan promote, diorang tak mau pergi yang lain. Pasal yang lain tu dia tak buat event kat sini, kami datang kat sini dah jauh dah, kami belanja kat sini buat ke hotel Dato', hotel bukan free ni. Doset pencet kami mahal kat sini, and Doset is doing 100% occupancy, betul. So and they charging, bukan kami punya charge dekat sana. Kami punya charge dekat yang kalau event macam ni 50% kurang, 50%. Dari 3 bintang you boleh duduk RM100. Ya, dulu tak dapat, dulu 250. Now you come to Langkawi, kalau you drive, you bawa kereta, you penat, singgah dekat Park Avenue di Sukartani. Kalau you letih lagi, you drive further, you berhenti dekat Star City, dekat Lestang. Kalau you drive lagi, pasal you nak kena pergi Kuala Perlis, Kuala Kedah, ferry tutup. Okay? So you pergi Kuala Perlis, you drive, you rehat dekat Hotel Prasmana kat sana, murah-murah saja, then you bawa